It's recording now, boys. So, what we got here is Death of a Lanzar.
Hold on.
I like to call this Death of a Lanzar. Oh, but
Hold on. Hold on here.
first of all, check that bad boy out. Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Hold on.
Okay.
Let me get this tube going here. I gotta have this tube going. Don't be selfish now.
Oh, well.
Hold on.
Just get a little bit more of that bike
Okay,
in there. Okay. Ready? This might be quick, so better don't blink.
26 Adam, your case number is 10,259-10259.
Taking it pretty good, I'd say. There's 60 hertz right there, boys. Oh, how do you think that? Huh? That was pretty good. Hey, that lasted pretty long, really. Smell that? Oh, that smells real nice.
Hey, if you ever borrow my subs and they come back to smell like that, we're gonna have a problem. I know what you've done, bud. That's what Chan's Jeep smells like too.
Oh,
It smells like that.
There's a smoke rolling out of the port. Ooh, that does smell nice, huh?
Is it unplugged?
No,
you're good, buddy.
it broke the connection.
Everybody done recording?
All right, well, yeah, that's pretty much toast there.
Smells toast.
It smells like burnt toast. Yeah.